3, 2, 1, lift off. Today's mission, turbocharging your goals. Because small dreams don't need rockets. Welcome back to English with Bruce. If you learned something new, give a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Playing it safe sounds smart, but it often keeps your language and your goals small. Let's upgrade how you talk about big ambition. Shooting for the moon means aiming extremely high and setting bold, ambitious goals. In Korean, you can say 높은 목표를 세우다. Business example. Let's shoot for the moon and target a 30% increase in qualified leads this quarter. The board wants bold ideas. Don't hold back. Shoot for the moon with this product roadmap. Everyday example. Apply to your dream school. Shoot for the moon. I'm shooting for the moon with my fitness goals this year. Nice work today. Hit like, subscribe, and the bell, and I'll see you Wednesday for our Business Power Phrases session.